Hi guys! Today in this video we are going to be doing a one colour build challenge in Adopt Me on Roblox. We have been playing Adopt Me for a long time. We play Adopt Me a lot, but we've never decided that we would do a one colour build challenge. So I think we should. But before we get into this video, we just wanted to let you know that recently I have started a channel on Coverstars, and so has Emily. Basically, Coverstars is like TikTok, but it's kids friendly, and it won't let you put a thumbs down on anything.
Yeah.
You can't put a thumbs down on anything, you can't put something nasty in the comments. It will only let you do nice stuff, and it's completely kids friendly because it's completely safe, and you can't get hacked or anything.
You can download it on Google Play.
Yeah, and it's for free as well.
Yep. No money.
Yeah, we will put our Coverstar channel names in the description. Anyways, let's get into this video now. So I have a house right here, and I've emptied out all of its furniture so that we can get on with the building. So yeah, and Emily has done hers too. So first of all, we're going to start off by spinning the colour wheel. So let's go to the colour wheel. So we're going to do Emily's go first because she wants to.
Everybody liked the video so I don't get pink. I absolutely do not like pink.
Yeah, Emily doesn't like pink at all. So if everyone likes the video, she won't get pink. So let's hopefully...
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, right. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
And what are you going to get?
No,
What is it? And you get yellow.
That's
are you
okay.
Okay with yellow?
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
Should I dress up in yellow as well?
Okay,
no, that would be too yellow.
Yeah. No, don't want to waste time on dressing up because it's more about the build. Okay, now my turn. I hope I don't get yellow as well because...
That won't be fair.
And I got...
Lucky!
Cyan! Alright, are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, so now I have completed my build and Emily has completed hers as well.
Yeah.
So I'm going to teleport to her and we are going
Hang on,
to view
wait.
her build first.
Don't yet.
Why?
I need to get outside.
Oh, right.
Okay.
So we're going to view Emily's build first. Okay, so... Oh, wait, you didn't colour your house yellow.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's okay, I guess.
Okay, let's go in.
Okay, you go in first. Okay, I'm excited. Oh, okay. Whoa, this is nice.
I actually don't normally do builds. So do you think it's good?
Yeah, this is good considering you don't build very much.
The TV's mega neon.
Oh, yeah, it is.
That's
Should
fine,
should I change my settings to yellow? Wait, no, there's no yellow. It's orange. Okay, never mind. Never mind.
I don't know. I just have mine on black because I like.
Yeah, I turned mine on cyan because I was doing a cyan build.
Cyan.
Yes.
Well, it's more blue. But yeah.
I'm gonna see this room. Oh, the bedroom. That's nice.
Yeah, I didn't add the sun.
Nicely interesting bedroom. It looks like the sunshine is just like everywhere. It looks like the sunshine is everywhere.
I'm gonna play music.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
I want to hear the music. Oh, okay. I can't hear it on mine. Never mind.
Can you hear it on mine?
Yeah. The bathroom. Oh my. The toilet looks like Skibbity Toilet Head is about to show up.
Yeah, it does actually. It looks
and it looks like the exact colour of a banana. It does. And the sink looks like someone was sick in it, I'm not gonna lie.
I mean,
why are the towels so small?
I don't know. They can't be that small.
Apart from that, this is a very nice build. This is a good build. Well done.
What would you rate it out of 5?
Out of 5? 4.
That's still good.
Yeah. Okay, let's go see my build now. I really like this entryway bit. It's cool. So, should we so I just spawn one of my vehicles and we can just like drive to my house.
I'll do it.
Oh, never mind. My house is right there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
We're not even in a private server.
Yeah. Let me call this Cyan House.
I'm gonna keep my yellow house. I'm gonna call it Yellow Happy House. Wait, let me just go save it quickly whilst you're doing it.
Okay. Are you coming?
Okay, you know what? I'll just name it later.
Yeah, later. Okay, I'm gonna let you go in first so that you can get the first look at it. And it's taking forever to load you. Oh,
ooh, this is nice.
Yes, what do you think?
I like the snowy owl poster.
Good.
Oh, I should have done that checkered. Where do you find that?
I just searched up rug and it's like all the way at the end. Oh, you're gonna really like the bedroom.
Wow, this is so cool.
I know, right? What do you think of the LED lights?
This is cool. I rate this a 5 out of 5.
Thank you so much. I knew you would like this build.
I even have a blue cardigan.
Yeah. You know, let me just attempt to make a cyan avatar real quick.
Wait.
Yeah?
This just gave me a good idea for a new movie we could do.
Oh, a new movie we could do?
We could do where this, I know this sounds kind of like the Smart Smooth, but yeah. So basically, there are 2 girls. One is a blue alien, one is a yellow alien. And they don't like each other, apart from the 2 main characters, who are girls. And they want to be friends. But then all of the other aliens, like the yellow ones and the blue ones, tell them that we can't be friends just because we're different. It's kind of like that.
Not too sure.
But then in the end, they all like each other and all become friends and stuff.
I don't know.
We'll see.
Not really getting the vibes with that.
Or
What?
actually, I'll tell you after this video. Don't want to give it a surprise. It's really good.
Okay.
And it's not going to be a Roblox movie though. It's a real life movie.
Oh no, I don't want to do a real life one. Sorry.
Not sorry.
Oh right.
I'm trying to get onto your head. Yay!
Maybe don't. Do I have any cyan shoes in the dress up?
No.
Wait, there are these kind of cyan ones. I'll make an exception for these.
Hello.
I'm going to put a different animation on though. How about toy? Yes. Wait, I forgot to change my face.
We should do Lilo.
Wait, you know what?
And
The
Stitch.
face doesn't. No.
Everyone likes
Okay, the
Stitch.
face doesn't matter. Let's just. Yes. There.
This would be Stitch's house.
Yes, this is awesome. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. Bye.